Okay, so here's the thing. I could open a Patreon account and ask you for donations, but I do not entirely feel comfortable doing that. So all I can ask of you, if you like these videos, is to support this channel by disabling your ad blocker whenever you watch videos from Bitesize Korean, as well as watching the advertisement at the beginning of each video. If you do not want to do that though, I totally understand. Totally. Anyway, have fun learning something new. Hello everyone and welcome to the very first lesson of the beginner course for Bitesize Korean. The point of these lessons is to provide you with short, manageable, bite-sized Korean lessons that will have you speaking Korean in no time. Today we will start to take a look at the Korean alphabet, also known as Hangeul. We will begin with the vowels, and the two we will look at today are A and Ya. Now, before we begin, it is important that you get the enunciation right with this one. As English speakers, we have this habit of making the A sound whenever we see the letter A. A good example would be Gangnam, as in Gangnam Style. Listen carefully to how it should be said though in Korean. Gang, nam, and not gang, nam. Another good example would be Busan, which is the second largest city in Korea. Listen to how I'm saying Bu-san, and not Bu-san. So please do remember to make an A sound and not an A sound whenever you encounter the letter A in Korean. Think of it as going to the doctor and he tells you to open wide and say Ah. Okay, so I'm sure you now understand that this symbol, a long vertical line with a short horizontal line attached to it, is the Korean equivalent of the letter A, and it is enunciated as A. So if this is A, then what is this? Well, by adding that second little horizontal line, you are, effectively, just adding the letter Y to the front and changing the sound from A to Ya, as in Yahoo, you know, that search engine nobody uses. And don't worry too much about this little circle here. We will get to it in a later lesson. Anyway, Ahu, Yahoo, Ahu, Yahoo. Get it? Awesome. So to recap, this is A and this is Ya. Now before I leave you, here are some common Korean words using these two symbols. First up is 안녕하세요, which is Korean for hello. Again, 안녕하세요. Next up is 양말, the Korean word for socks. So, 양말. Next is hama, the Korean word for hippo. Ha-ma. Next is yache, ya-che for vegetables. And pap, pap for rice. Bang for room, bang. And finally, cha. Cha can mean either tea or car. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you again in lesson 2, where we will take a look at the next batch of vowels. See you then, folks.